Hello and welcome to a new video.
In this video I'm going to talk about two figures who represent soldiers of the Waffen-SS. Their names are Karl and Uwe. Whenever I go on vacation I always take one or two figures with me. This is the view from where I was on vacation. Sever do Vouga, a Portuguese town belonging to the district of Aveiro and integrated into the sub-region of Aveiro region and therefore in the central region, with about 2,700 inhabitants, being the seat of a municipality that stands out for its natural beauty, cultural richness and historical heritage. Once again I used my usual box to carry the figures, in this case Karl and Uwe. Starting with Karl. Karl is an Unterscharführer, meaning a non-commissioned officer's rank in the Schutzstaffel, a junior squad leader. Karl's body and head sculpt are from the DID brand and was customized to look as it looks now. I'll show you what Karl originally looked like. I don't have absolutely nothing like accessories, equipment, guns or uniform from this figure, except for the body and head sculpt. But it was originally purchased that way. Currently, Karl uses a mix of uniform and equipment from the Dragon and DID brands. The collar insignias were made by me. And now Uwe. Uwe has a body and head sculpt from the Dragon brand. The equipment and uniform are a mix of Dragon, DID, Z-Toys and Ujindo brands. Uwe it's an SS Sturman, meaning an acting corporal. I don't have the original equipment and uniform for this figure. This figure was acquired in a rather mixed up state in terms of uniform and equipment. It has already had several customizations and now looks like this. I'll show you what the original Uwe from the Dragon brand looked like.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.